industrial molds, jewelry models, shoes, ceramics, dental models. One powerful 3D printer does it all. HyperMaker HM1, an industrial-grade 16K 3D printer for demanding creators. From concept to creation, HyperMaker HM1 turns industrial design into reality. A 10.1-inch 16K mono LCD with an ultra-fine XY resolution, capturing every detail with stunning precision. With zoned UV light control, light only activates where needed. Sharper detail, longer LCD lifespan. Resin mixing scraper for even mixing, with temperature control and auto heating for an ultra-smooth printing surface. High-speed printing up to 100 millimeters per hour. With a live camera and remote control, you're in command, anywhere, anytime. The release is just as easy. High-speed, accurate printing helps improve your efficiency. Want to create something exquisite? Design unique jewelry for your loved one. Print art pieces with a ceramic-like texture. A wireless charger for your phone, a mask for your dog. Let your imagination run wild. Compatible with a wide range of professional resins, create high-quality, durable prints for any project. HyperMaker HM1. Precision for professionals. Start printing excellence now.